All right, guys, this is a quick little Guardian video with a nifty little trick. You can use GoGuardian to open things on student screens. All you have to do is tag the student that you want to send it to, and then you see there's an option that says Open New Tab. The same option is also available from their actual monitoring screen, which appears when you click on the student right here where it says Open New Tab. Even if you are within the chat, you have that option. You can also tag multiple students at once by click. If you have groups activated, you can click on the entire group, and then this will open tabs for the entire group. Or you can even click on the top where it says the entire class, and then everybody will get the new tab if you do that. And you can send it to whoever's online, everybody who's offline, and then as soon as they come online, they will get that. But what happens when you actually do it is that you click on it and hit Open New Tab. So I'm sending this student a document. That tab opens, and you have a confirmation at the top right that it actually took place. And you can see the tabs showing up on their tabs, which is really cool. You can do it from here as well. If they already have that tab open, it's not a big deal. They can close it, but it's just a way to show you how it works. And this could also be a way to redirect the student to what they're supposed to be working because you can open the tabs for them and say, hey, listen, you need to be doing this, right? So it's a nice way to, and also just to like help kids get to where they're supposed to get. You can even send the Zoom link to a meeting on that tab. So if you do that, I'm going to try to do that. I'm going to send them a Zoom link and that will automatically send them to a place where they can join the meeting. So it will automatically send the Zoom meeting to them. So, and so at the beginning of class, you have a student who's online but not in class. You can send them as a gentle reminder to get in class, right? And so forth.